Hello and welcome to the Let's Learn project. So this is our series of videos on the BECE 2026 past question. In our previous video, we solved the question 1a. So this video is going to be about the question 1b. The question says that factorize completely x plus y multiplied by, in a bracket, 2m minus n minus m multiplied by, in a bracket, x plus y. So we need to always build the habit of writing out our data before starting out the question. So let's do that. So the question is x plus y in a bracket multiplied by 2m minus n in a bracket minus m in a bracket x plus y. So this is what has been given. Now you can clearly see that there is a subtraction sign here, which means we can consider this as one term and this as another term. So we have x plus y multiplied by 2m minus n as one term, and then m multiplied by x plus y also as another term. The question asked us to factorize. Factorizing means that we have to look at the two terms and then bring something that is common to both terms outside of a bracket. If you look at this term on the left of the subtraction sign, you can see that x plus y is here, and then on the right hand side you can see that x plus y is also here. Remember, factorization always means that look at the two terms and then bring something that is common to each of the terms outside of some particular bracket. So x plus y is here, x plus y is here. So first, you can even indicate a bracket like this. So what is common to them, I'm bringing it outside of the bracket. But remember, they were already in a bracket. So we have x plus y. There is x plus y on the left hand side. There is x plus y on the right hand side of the subtraction symbol. So I have to bring that common term outside of a bracket, and then whatever is left, I write them in that particular bracket. Okay. So when I take x plus y outside from here, from the left hand side, if I take x plus y from here, what will be left is what? 2m minus n. So let me even make this a square bracket. If I take x plus y from this term here, what will be left is what? 2m minus n. And then when I take the x plus y from this term here, what will be left is what? Minus m. So you bring your minus m in the brackets. Remember, we have two terms. We are supposed to what? Factorize. So we have two terms. We look at what is common to each of the terms. There is x plus y here. There is x plus y here. So we are calling x plus y a factor. So that is what we mean by factorizing. X plus y becomes a factor of the two terms. So once it is a factor of the two terms, it means I can bring it outside of a bracket, and then whatever is left, I write in the other bracket. So that is why I've written the x plus y here. So let's simplify further. We have x plus y, and this is 2m minus n minus m. So I can even group like terms. So I have 2m minus m minus n. And then if you are simplifying further, you are going to get x plus y. Then 2m minus m becomes what? M. And then we have our minus n here. So this becomes your answer after doing your factorization. Alright, thank you very much for watching the video. Kindly subscribe to the channel to help us grow. See you in another video. Goodbye.